Experiment, imagine, and make an infinite range of creations with Firefly. For the content creators out there, Firefly provides you extraordinary tools for creative digital imaging, illustrations, artwork, outstanding text-based video editing, and in future, possible 3D modeling. Yes, Adobe is introducing new tools that let you enhance, manipulate the creatives, and even edit videos with just a few typed commands. Adobe is promising its customers that output from its Firefly system will be on safe, legal ground for commercial use. The new Adobe video tools will let users tell the AI system to read a script and then automatically generate a storyboard for the finished piece, even recommending some of the shots for a rough cut of the story. Adobe is testing the new system now and plans to release the video tools later this year. However, if you wish to try your hands on, then join the beta version. For this, go to website firefly.adobe.com. Here you can explore the page as it is or by signing in, joining the Discord and checking out the gallery. Now under the banner of what will you make today, try writing your imagination, select the image, and now you can style it out from the right hand side tile. I'm telling you, the features are very advanced and very expressive. Not only text to speech, but you can also find some text effects in here to use for your design. We can't wait to see how AI will be transforming the designer's life in the future and the individuals overall. Do let us know your experience in the comment section below.